That's so.
You're unreliable. You're unappreciative. You're indescribably inefficient. Irresponsible. Oh.
What is that, a Cole Porter song?
That's it. I'm finished. I can't take it. Now you've been told off. How do you like it?
Good. Because now I'm going to tell you off. For the last 8 years, I've lived in this apartment all by myself. I thought I was lonely. I thought I was miserable. I thought that we could help each other. For the last 3 weeks of close, personal contact, I've developed hives, shingles, and a nasty case of psoriasis.
Oh, God.
I am getting old before my time. I can't take any more, Florence.
Walk on the papers, will you? And just washed in there. Keep back. I'm warning you. Don't you touch me.
In the kitchen.
Oh!
I am going to cook your head like a turkey. Oh! 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 I didn't move my hand. Punch me, bitch.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh, that felt good.
Oh.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Ah!
You!
Ow! No!
No use running! Oh! There are only 6 rooms in this apartment, and I know all the shortcuts.
Oh! Oh!
That felt better.
Yeah, it felt
Our
better.
fight is messy.
Uh-huh. We'll fix it.